Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to add a save filter to a search list on MediaPulse. First, let's open a list that you would like to add a save search to. Search for your desired records. Then click the Filter drop-down and select Create Filter. Let's name this filter. Note that the Auto Search defaults as checked. Click Save and Close. Now that we have created a new filter, let's test it. Close the list and reopen using the same layout. Then click the Filter drop-down and select your new filter. Now let's make this save filter automatically populate and share it with other users. Go back to the Filter drop-down and click View Saved Filters. Click the ID of your saved filter to open its search criteria window where you can update the settings. Check the default checkbox to make your saved filter default. Check the public checkbox to share your saved filter with other users who have access to the same layout. Click Save and Close. Close and reopen the list. Note that your search now both defaults and auto searches. The auto search and default parameters can also be saved separately. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.